G'day everyone, Matt here from F.S.A Rural Services and Earth Moving. Start doing some videos again for you guys. Got a bit more spare time now the house is built, so we're out here today. One of our great customers doing like Airbnb, it's a little tiny home down there, and we're putting in another new driveway for the caravan they've restored. So we did the original driveway which runs all the way down the back of the property, and now we're going to do one straight through the guts up here for this place. So anyway, let's get this digger off and we'll go back and grab the skid steer. So one thing you might notice, got some new bits of gear. So bought this last year off a mate that was shutting his business down. I'll run through it and give me an opinion about it. Honestly, it's not that great, but I don't do a lot of digger work, so it does the job. But God, it's been back to ASV XCMG a lot, and it's cost me a lot of downtime. Coolest thing we bought last year was a 4x4 tipper truck. So it's awesome. Once again, I'll do a full rundown of the truck and all the new bits of gear that we've got. But let's head back and we'll grab the skid steer. Builder finally showing up. I'm here pretty early. He always drives around with his light bar. This bloke's out of control. Look at him. No? Red light. Anyway, let's get into it. So what do I use for driveways? Got the digger. I'm gonna pop a pipe in out the front. It's quite a dip out there. So I'm gonna throw a pipe in. Where the measuring wheel is, just curves around here. Runs the inside of this bank all the way up, and we've laid out string line. So string line, Hymac rock bucket. Find this awesome for driveways. Brings them up schmeck. 4-in-1 tilt. That's pretty much it for this. Normally I'll bring like a set of rippers in as well, but it's all river flat, so this normally peels off really good. So anyway, start scraping and see how we go. We just go down about 150, just getting that grass layer off. Grass is always going to grow through. Like, look at this topsoil. We couldn't even buy any better, honestly. So anyway, we'll go through here, through the shovel, and then there's a string line down that left there, and keep heading up. It's a pretty good start to the day. A few loads of gravel in. Also got the pipe out the front end, which is awesome. So back again tomorrow. Do a bit of digger work up around the caravan and get all this flowing nice, but pretty good start. I'm pretty happy with how it is. I'm gonna make these rocks a bit of a head wall, so I got them dumped there, but I think it'll be quite nice. The only problem with this is the fact that there's no drainage. Pipe's not really going to run anywhere, but hey, it'll flow when it wants to flow, I guess. I'll smooth out just on the other sides, give it a bit of a chance, but yeah, anyway, back again tomorrow and see how we go. Morning everyone, day 2, putting in a new driveway. Whew, it is fresh this morning. It's absolutely, I think it's about like 6 degrees or something, so winter's definitely coming. Anyway, there is dirt everywhere, but we've got this all prepped, ready for the trucks to come in this morning. They should be here soon. Just about to start marking out the swing, because we're going to go up behind there is like a bit of a parking area, and then they want a little bit of a spot out the front here, and then we do it'll end up like a teardrop, but a round drive that comes around here and joins back onto the road. So we're just gonna have a bit of a play with that and line everything up so it's all looks quite nice. So I'm thinking probably We've got to go around this stick, so we're going to plant a nice tree there, so we'll go around into the hump and then down. So let's see how we go. I think there's an old hose over here, so I'm going to mark it out with the hose. We've kind of got the hose in and nice straight edge linking back up over back behind us here. Roberta, the builder's here. I'll never tell him, but he's bloody good at what he does. He's been trying to retire for like 15 years. He's just too good. We'll go grab the digger, scrape all this out with the digger. Just Posie's just, it takes too much out sometimes, so you really, you know, you can fine tune it out here, but along here I'd just rather do it with the digger, a lot neater. And there's not a lot to come out here. We just want to get that grass off, as I was saying, and we'll, hopefully the boys will be here and start sheeting with gravel. Things got a bit crazy there for a bit. Trucks were coming, I hadn't got all this done, so nice round drive. Another couple of loads still to come in, and then once the trucks bugger off, that's when we start fine tuning it. I even gave the one of the local guys a call. He's got a little roller that I borrow off him, so I'm gonna finish her off with a roller, so should be quite good. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'm just cutting down the piles. They say you make a mess before you make a picture, so I'm just going to throw all the gravel around, get it down to a reasonable height, and then I'll start shaping it. This is where this high back rock bucket really comes alive. Sometimes I get some huge chunks of rock in here that are just too big to go in the driveway, so it helps me filter them out, but also just helps me with a perfect level. And because it's so open, you can just hammer through. It's better than a spreader bar, I reckon, anyway. Another awesome day, down and around. So walk down here so you can have a look. Still got a bit of tidying up to do and edges and stuff like that, but hopefully you're pretty happy with how it's come up. Turned into a bit of a raised garden bed just a little bit, but yeah, bit of tidying up. Cowley's here doing some plumbing, but yeah, I think it's come up pretty good. Day 3, pretty stoked with how it's all sitting. Just up around the caravan, gonna have a bit more of a play and just get that all sitting right where I'm happy. And then our good friends at Gloucester Valley Landscape Supplies, they're another earth moving company in town, and a mate of mine, and he always lets me hire one of his bits of gear. Let me show you. White Lightning. She is a weapon. It does such a brilliant job. And once we roll this, you wait, like it'll just come up like an absolute highway. Better than the dirt road that's out the front. Just saying. Anyway, let's get right into it. Righto. Just top this up so it's a nice little kind of teardrop, I guess you'd call it. And then I'm going to start running all this around, and while the moisture's here, I think I might roll it, but I'll just do a bit of tidy up work first, get this to where I'm happy, and then give her a roll. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get on White Lightning, warm her up. Love it. Can't wait to buy a roller. Just makes the job just look even better. Like, once again in the sunny, you should be able to see the difference. Like, obviously rolled, unrolled, just turns into super hard packed. Yeah, it's looking good. Look at this. It's awesome. Alright, finish her off. There we have it, all rolled, tidied up. The driveway's come up $1 million, so super stoked. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and let's start getting you some more videos up here anyway. Alright, have a good one.